Hey y'all, welcome to Valley Soaps YouTube channel. Today we have a few unboxings and I'm going to get started with this one here. This is an order I placed from the Wish app. Okay. Goodness. Let's see. Got all kinds of things in here. Alright. I'm just going to go ahead and cut them all open real quick. So I really like the Wish app. The only thing is that some items take forever, and then some items actually arrive at a decent timing. I like that they offer promo codes all the time, and they also have good prices, especially for embed molds and little things like that. Anything full size, I don't think I would order from Wish, just because I think that's when prices are going to go up, and shipping is going to be a little bit more as well. Plus, it's really hard to tell the dimensions of some things on there because dimensions are not always listed on those listings. Okay, so I got all of them cut open, so we're just going to start going through. I'm planning way ahead. Okay. Awesome. This one wasn't actually supposed to arrive today. Oops. But I got, these are some Russian piping tips, and these are like flowers. So I can, all in one motion, I can pipe flowers on top of the soap loaves. I definitely plan to use these come Easter. Okay, so that one looks like a rose. I think that one would be pretty. Can't wait to experiment with different, like, a dual tone soap in the piping bag and see how that turns out too. Awesome. I'm really excited to use these. I'm glad they came in today. Okay, so we got those. Next up. Oh, cool. Okay, so these are obviously like game controllers, like a mold for game controllers. They're actually, let's see, this one here is like a 1 3/4 inch by another 3/4 inch. So I think these are so cool. I think I plan on doing more men's soap, and I think the guys would get a kick out of having little game controllers, soap embeds on top of their soaps. That's awesome. And that really is like the perfect size. I can stick it down in the soap there. Nice. I'm really happy with that, and that's actually a pretty thick mold there. Okay. Get my trash out of the way. The next item. Okay, cool. So this is crinkly and very loud, I'm sure. Alright, so these are little fondant cutters, and I plan on experimenting a lot more with soap dough in the future, and see, this one comes with 3 different size hearts, So yeah, these are going to come in handy when I play with the soap dough some. Okay, another mold here. These are lips, and that's a pretty thick size mold too. So that would be more like a Valentine's mold. This one, oh cool. This would also come in handy with soap dough. It's making the different levels of flower petals. I'm going to be doing a lot of experimenting coming up here. So yeah, those are cute. It's got 3 different sizes in that one. Oh, pretty. This is another Valentine's mold. I figured I'd make the little Cupid wings with this. And that is so detailed. I don't know if you guys can see that. That is very, very detailed. That's going to be so pretty. Okay, there's that. And those aren't flimsy little molds either. This one isn't even flimsy either. Alright, I wanted to get this out before showing y'all because I'm really excited about this. This would be something for Mother's Day too. It's like a little handbag mold. See that little purse has a bow on it. I'm worried about the handle. That's the only thing that concerns me, but it looks like it might be deep enough that it shouldn't break when I'm unmolding it, so we will see. But that's cute. Okay, you just cut these open. Okay, so we got like a little picket fence. I have a soap design in mind for Easter, and I think this along the top of the loaf would look really stellar. You can even see the wood grain on this. It's awesome. So that's more like an Easter. That's when I plan to use it anyways. And then here's another one. This is the pearl mold, or beads, or border. Now, I'm concerned about putting the melt and pour in like tiny little crevices like this. So we'll see how that works out for us, but plan on, we can either use this for like Mardi Gras beads or like pearls for Mother's Day soaps. Anything to make it look really nice and elegant. So that one. Got a couple more. Definitely excited about this. This is, these are little diamonds, or you can try to do gems if you wanted. It's actually got a decent amount that you can pour at once. Yeah, so that's another Mother's Day or like Valentine's or anything like that, that mold. And then our last one is another assortment of 3. This is like a fondant cutter, but this would be great for soap dough when I play with it. You can cut out the soap dough and then roll it up to be like, these are the petals, and you roll it up and it would come out looking like a rose. And then you can stick that on top of your wet soap too. Alright, so anyways, I'm really happy with this order actually, and I'm really surprised they sent everything all at the same time. Usually for me, Wish sends like one thing at a time, and then everything like trickles in. So, but here's all of it, and really excited about this. I think the guys are gonna love that. They're gonna get a kick out of that for sure. All right, so anyways, so we'll be back with the next unboxing. We'll see you in just a moment. And we are back. I just got in the business cards, so I'm gonna open these up really quick, show you what they look like. For this order, I actually had a coupon code, so I think I had ended up with like $12 or $13 off. I ordered 500 business cards this time, and then I also ordered another set of cards because I have a Halloween event coming up. Let's see. Open these up. Alright. Oops, where did the opening go? There it, I think it is. Okay, I guess it's haha, blonde moment. There we go. Okay. Let's see what my cards look like. Perfect. They look just like they did last time. Very nice. I love this design. I am going to end up changing this just because I don't have scrubs in stock right now. So, but I went with this because this is what I already had designed previously. But I do plan to start doing more seasonal business cards. So, all right. Okay. I imagine that's the same right there. And then I also, like I said, I ordered another set of cards. We'll be putting these in with our soap samples that we're handing out. Ooh, a little bit hard to open there. Yes, perfect. Okay, so these actually kind of, to save myself some money, I ordered these, and then I'm going to cut them in half. And there's actually a coupon code on here, so if you're watching this video, hooray for you, because this coupon code is valid through the end of this year, 2019. So I kind of cheated, and I'm going to be cutting these in half and then writing the name of the soap sample they're getting on the back side. So 15% off, use code DFS, and there's our website. So yeah, so I use purple, orange, and black to kind of go with our Halloween theme, but also I can still hand these out if I have extras. Put these in with other orders that I ship out and such. So, but yeah. Alright, so that should be all for today. I don't know if this video is going to be uploaded. It's probably going to be uploaded on a Wednesday. So your next video is going to be on a Saturday. Looking forward to see y'all then. Bye y'all.